Today we'll be talking about belt-driven systems like this Hawa Symmetric ATZ, or it could be telescopic as well. And that's the tooth belt, which we'll be talking about adjustment. And you can obviously first install the belt and have a little bit left, so you can tighten the belt and use those two tips to tighten the belt through the unit to the door. And there are the slots which allow to move the tips because the teeth are engaged with the other side of the holders. I always leave it in because it allows me to tighten the belt. I have grip on it. So if the belt is too loose, this creates a problem because it is too loose and it's a problem to move the door. It will be noisy and not work properly. So in this case I can just pull it in, tighten the holder to the body, and it is adjusted. Right now I have slack about ½ inch off and it should work properly. The door moving in and out. And it's important thing that you can doors stop right now in the track to prevent the doors slamming into each other.
Thank you for watching Tech Tips with Jan. If you found this video helpful, please like and share with your friends. What other installation and tech tips would you like to see? Please let us know and comment below. Again, thanks for tuning in and see you next time.